King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue 90 feet tall and demanded worship. Three Jewish men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused to bow. They had been taken from Jerusalem, trained in the king's palace, but they would not bow to an idol. The king gave them one chance: worship or burn in the furnace. Our God can deliver us, but even if not, we won't bow. Soldiers tied them up and threw them into the blazing furnace. The guards who threw them in were killed instantly by flames. Nebuchadnezzar saw four men walking unharmed in the fire. The fourth looked like a son of the gods. He called them out. Not a hair singed, no smell of smoke. The king promoted them and issued a decree honoring their God. Sometimes the fire isn't meant to destroy, but prove God's power.